Welcome to my class. Good morning. This is state of matter part 4. Here written wrong. Today's learning objective, we learn understand how to plot and interpret solubility curve. Okay, how to draw a solubility curve and its explanation. Solubility curve is a graph showing how the solubility of a solute in a particular solvent changes with temperature. Okay, in a solubility curve, show how the solubility of a solute changes at a particular solvent at a particular temperature, with temperature. Now, with temperature, not a particular temperature, with temperature. Like 4 degrees temperature, what is the solubility of a solute in a particular solvent? Like 10 degree temperature, what will be solubility of a solid in a particular solvent? Solvent is a particular, but temperature changes. So with temperature changes, how the solubility of a solute change show by a graph. This graph is called solubility curve. Look, this is a solubility curve. Here, four solute solubility is shown. Like here, this one. This one is okay. This is the rectangular shape. This one, potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate solubility, which temperature increases, solubility is dramatically increases. High temperature, 10 degrees solubility is in a 100 gram of solvent. Solubility is 20 gram. 20 this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, this 5. Here the each 2. Each unit is 2. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each unit is 2. So here is a 1 unit 22. So 20 and 22. So 10 degree solubility is 22 gram. When 20 degree temperature, solubility is 32 gram. When 30 degree temperature, solubility is 44 degree temperature. So solubility increases dramatically in potassium nitrate. And for sodium, potassium sulfate also solubility increases, but it is not too much as potassium nitrate. This is a potassium sulfate solubility. And this is the third line. This one is sodium chloride. Solubility is not changed so far, so at a high rate. Solubility is remaining same. Look, same. Solubility don't changes. Or okay, solubility is sodium chloride. Copper sulfate solubility increases with temperature, but not more, slightly increases. Okay. So we have seen how the solubility of a solute salt changes with temperature. This is solubility curve. Okay, most solid have solubility curve like those for the salt. Most solids have solubility curve like this salt shown in the figure. Their solubility increase with temperature. Dramatically or just a little. As solute sodium sulfate solubility increases, and when temperature is 31 degree, solubility again decreases. If we increase solubility as salt, sodium sulfate, but most solute solubility increases like this curve. Solubility increases with temperature increases. Here to salt solubility potassium nitrate shown solubility increases, like when 10 degree solubility is here. Solubility here is each unit is 10 gram. Have you seen 0 to 15? So each unit is 10 gram. So here At 10 degree temperature, the solubility is 40 degree. 2 unit means each unit is 10 grams, so 2 units, so 20 gram. At 20 degree temperature, solubility is like 40 gram. So solubility increases potassium nitrate, and potassium chloride is increases a little bit, increases with temperature. Solubility curve of potassium nitrate and potassium chloride. Solubility 100 gram of water. So temperature, here we are changing temperature, so we draw temperature. We are changing temperature. With changing temperature, this solubility changes. So in a x-axis we write temperature, because we are changing this one. This one changing with this one. Solubility changes for temperature. So we write this one's variable. We write here y-axis. Okay, x-axis temperature. We can use the solubility curve to work out what mass of crystal would you get if you cooled a saturated solution. Okay, we using the solubility curve, we can find out crystal. How much crystal would you get if we cooled a saturated solution? Consider the solubility curve of potassium nitrate. Okay, look at this, the potassium nitrate solubility curve. Look at the solubility curve, this figure 8.18. At 90 degrees Celsius, look at 90 degrees Celsius, 200 gram of potassium nitrate dissolved in at 90 degree temperature. How much? Yes, look, 200 gram of potassium nitrate dissolved in 100 gram of solvent, 100 gram of water. Okay, at 30 degree only 50 gram will dissolve. At 30 degree, yes, only 50 gram. At 30 degree only 50 gram will dissolve. Therefore we have a solution containing 200 gram of potassium nitrate dissolved in 100 gram of water. So in water, and let it cool down from 90 degree to 30 degree, 30 degree now. So 150 gram potassium nitrate must be released from the solution. So we have find the how much crystal will find out. Crystal will form when we decrease temperature, like at 90 degree temperature. Solubility is 200 gram of potassium nitrate. If I decreases temperature, crystal will form. Again crystal will form in 30 degree. Now solubility is what? 50 gram. So how much a crystal will form? 150 gram potassium nitrate must be released from the solution, which it does as crystal. Okay, this is the crystal. So 150 gram crystal will form again, reappear again. We see that potassium nitrate crystallize out of the solution or precipitate out of the solution. So we can use solubility curve to work out what mass of crystal you would get if you cooled the saturated solution. Okay, syllabus in chemistry for half yearly assessment is unit 1, chapter 1 to 9. Okay, this is the table show the solubility of potassium chloride. Look at table, show the solubility of potassium chloride at various temperatures. Temperature at which solute potassium chloride. This is given solubility of potassium chloride at different temperature below. At temperature 10 degrees Celsius, solubility of potassium nitrate at 100 gram of water is 31.2 degree 31.2 gram potassium nitrate will dissolve in 100 gram of water, and at 30 degree temperature 37.2 gram potassium nitrate dissolve. At 40 degree temperature 40 gram potassium nitrate dissolve. At 70 degree 48.5 gram potassium nitrate dissolve. At 90 it is potassium chloride, not potassium nitrate. I misspoken. Potassium chloride. Potassium nitrate we have seen at 90 degree temperature. How much potassium nitrate dissolve? Potassium nitrate. Are you listening me? Give my question answer. We have seen another. So this is the potassium chloride. At 90 degree solubility is 53.9. At 90 degree, what is the solubility of potassium nitrate? Are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the solubility of potassium nitrate at 90 degree temperature? You are not listening class properly. What was the solubility of potassium nitrate at 90 degree? Okay, I am showing this thing. I have taught already this one. Look. What is the solubility of potassium nitrate at 90 degree temperature? Are you watching my screen? Look, what is the solubility of potassium nitrate? This is the potassium nitrate at 90 degree temperature. What is the solubility? Potassium nitrate. $200 gram. This is the 90. Look here. And against 90, this is the 200 gram. 200 gram. But potassium chloride is at 90 degree temperature. What is 53.9 gram? Okay, the question A. Plot a solubility curve of potassium chloride. This is already plotted. Question. This is a plot a solubility curve of potassium chloride. Now I am drawing a plot. This one. I need a graph. Blank graph paper. Graph. I upload. Blank. I shouldn't write blank. What have I write? Blank graph paper. Hey, I already found. This is calm. Black graph. Black. Okay. Resume. So what is the solubility of carb? Okay, I have a book here, no problem. So I can see. Have you book? Look at page number 11. Open your book. Open page at 11. Your main book.
Okay, sir.
Uh, 30 degree temperature is 40. Solubility is 40. solubility is 40. It is exactly here. হইছে না 40 একদম ক্রস চিহ্ন দুইটার ইন্টারসেকশন মাস্ট বি হিয়ার। ওকে এখানে 40 এর মধ্যে পড়ছে। তারপরে 40 ডিগ্রি টেম্পারেচার, না না এটা না তো 30 ডিগ্রিতে কত, 40 ডিগ্রিতে 40, আমি কোথায় আছি, এই তো 40 ডিগ্রিতে কত, এ আগেরটা তো ভুল আছে, 37 এ 30 তে 30 ডিগ্রি টেম্পারেচার কত 37.2, এইখানে এইটা 30 তে 37.2, তো এটার মধ্যে ধরো 37.2, এটা ভুল রাখা হয়েছে। আচ্ছা তারপরে 40 তে 40 এইটারে অ্যাড করব কিভাবে, দূর ধরে হয়েছে 40 তে 40, তারপরে 70 তে কত, 70 তে এটা 70 তে দিচ্ছে 48.5, 48.5 এটা একটু উপরে আছে, একটু উপরে এইখানে। তো এটা যদি আমি অ্যাড করি, সবগুলো লাইনগুলো অ্যাড করি, এইরকম একটা স্ট্রেট লাইন আসবে। যেহেতু আমি এখানে হাত দেখতেছি, এটা স্ট্রেট লাইন করা সম্ভব হচ্ছে, ওইরকম একটা স্ট্রেট লাইন আসবে। হ্যাঁ তো বুঝা গেছে। তখন আমরা কিন্তু এই চারটা কি শিখি, so at any temperature we can find out the solubility, like 60 degree temperature. It is not given in a table, but I can find out the at 60 degree what is the solubility at 60 degree. This is the solubility 60 degree, against 60 degree the solubility is what is solubility 46 gram. Have you seen 46 gram at 60 degree temperature? Solubility of potassium chloride is 46 gram. Okay, I have missing here, which thing should write, I should write here figure solubility curve of potassium chloride. This is the solubility curve of potassium chloride. Using the solubility curve, we can find out the solubility at any temperature. Like I want to find out the solubility at 58 degrees temperature. I want to find the solubility at 58 degree temperature. I say Google Classroom এর লিংক নেই তো পরীক্ষার সময়, দেখছো নি পরীক্ষা শুরু হয়েছে, এখন আইসে লিংক নিতে, এইখানে কোয়েশনটা দিলাই তো সমস্যা হইতো না। এই দেখো আমার একটা গ্রুপ আছে, দেখছো নি আমার একটা গ্রুপ, এই গ্রুপে শুধু আমি একলা, মানে আমার যে কোনো কিছু নিতে হইলে এই গ্রুপে আমি প্রথমে নেই, তারপরে এইখানে দেই তোমাদের এখানে, আগে আমার গ্রুপে পোস্ট করি কোনো কিছু। এটা কি লিঙ্ক দিতে হবে? দত্তর আজকে ক্লাস তো শেষ হয়ে, দেখো অবস্থা। ফোন কিসের কানেক্টেড নাই? ফোন তো কানেক্টেড। The solubility at any temperature, using this curve. Like I want to find the solubility at 38 degree temperature. This is the 30 and this is the 38. 38 degree temperature, what is the solubility? This is the solubility. This is the against this solubility, against the temperature solubility is 38 gram. For 38 degree temperature solubility is 38 gram. Like I want to find the 50 gram, 55 degree temperature. This is the 55 middle, 55. This is the 50 and 55. This is the solubility is like, this is also 55 temperature. So we can find solubility at any temperature, and also we can find crystal at any temperature. Like the, what will be crystal out? Do you know crystal? What is crystal form? Like this, I take the solubility this temperature at 50 degree temperature. At 50 degree temperature, solubility like any salt is like 20 gram. So formed saturated solution 20 gram at 50 degree temperature. Form a saturated solution, 20 gram solute can dissolve this solvent, 100. Okay, when I decrease temperature like 20 degree Celsius, then this solute can dissolve 20 degree temperature. This solute dissolve, this solvent can dissolve 15 gram. So at 20 degree temperature, how much crystal will out? How much gram crystal will out? Some crystal will form if it decrease temperature. How much crystal will out? Some crystal will form in the bottom. At the bottom, some crystal will form. How much crystal will form? Solubility decreases. So how much? So at 50 degree temperature, it can dissolve 20 gram. At 20 gram temperature, it can dissolve 50 gram. How much solute will remain undissolved? This is a crystal. Hello? Are you listening me? How much crystal will form? At 50 degrees Celsius can dissolve 20 gram form a saturated solution. But when we decrease temperature, solubility becomes 15 gram. So how much crystal will form? Crystal out?
15 gram?
No. It can dissolve 15 gram. 15 gram can form clear solution and something remain out. at 50 degree temperature it can dissolve to 20 gram. At when I decrease temperature at 20 degree temperature it can dissolve 15 gram. How much crystal will reappear? (20 minus 15). Yes, 5 gram. 5 gram will crystal will form if we decrease temperature. Okay, so 5 gram will crystal will out. So we can also find out which things crystal we can find out using the solubility curve. Solubility curve, and we can find the solubility at any temperature, and also can solubility how much crystal also form if we decrease temperature. Okay. So this I have drawn this the plot solubility curve for potassium chloride. I have drawn already. Now question number 2. Use the solubility curve to find the solubility of potassium chloride at 50 degree temperature. What is the solubility of potassium chloride at 50 degree temperature? This is the 50 degree. What is the solubility? This is 42.5 gram. Okay, this graph shows that at 50 degree temperature solubility is 42.5 gram per 100 gram of water. 42.5 gram. You can write only 44.5 gram. You can write only these things. Total don't need to write. You can write only answer 44.5 gram. Okay, the maximum of potassium chloride that would dissolve in 50 gram of water. Okay, at 40 degree. So what will be the maximum amount of potassium, maximum mass of potassium chloride that would dissolve in 50 gram of water at 40 degree temperature? When we half solvent, this is the 50 gram. We know solvent is 100 gram. 100 gram. This graph is drawn when solvent is 100 gram. When solvent is 50 gram, that means half. So what will be solubility of potassium chloride? Mass of potassium chloride at 40 degree temperature. So we see check the 40 degree temperature. What is the solubility? What is the solubility at 40 degree temperature? When 100 gram of 40 gram. Look, this is the 40 degree temperature, solubility is 40. But our here water is half, that means 50 gram. Then how much potassium chloride will be half? Mass of potassium chloride will be half. So when the 50 gram of water at 40 degree, what will be mass of potassium chloride? What will be mass when 50 gram of water? We know in 100 gram of water solubility is 40 gram at 40 degree temperature. So what will be mass of potassium chloride at 50 gram of water at 40 degree? It is half. 40 গ্রামের হাফ কত? এই বাকিগুলো কি ঘুমায় নাকি? No. This is the 40 degree temperature. Yes, 20. 40 degree temperature solubility is 40 gram. It is for 100 gram of water. Question said 50 gram of water. So solvent half. So it will dissolve half solute. So it will be 20 gram. This question is given here. From the graph we can see that 40 degrees Celsius at 40 gram per water is 40 gram per 100 gram of water. 40 gram is solubility. From this we can deduce that half as much, that is 20 gram, will dissolve in 50 gram of water. So this is the 20 gram. Okay, number here is a equation. You can find it out using this equation any temperature. How much the number we have used here are quite simple, but if you were for instance asked to work out maximum mass that would dissolve in 34.6 gram of water at 40 degree Celsius. এখন কিন্তু এমন একটা দিছে তখন তুমি এটারে কোনো হাফও করা যায় না, এটারে কেমনে করবা, তখন সলিবিলিটি কেমনে বের করবা। দেখো আগে তো দিছে কি 50 গ্রাম সলভেন্ট, এটারে হাফ করলে বুঝে যায়, কিন্তু এখন একটা সলভেন্ট কত গ্রাম দিছে 34.6 গ্রাম, তখন সলিবিলিটিটা বের করবা কেমনে, হাউ মাচ সলিড উইল ডিজলভ। তখন আমি কি করব, এই ইকুয়েশনটা ইউজ করব, mass of water divided by 100 gram and solubility, হ্যাঁ তখন বের করা যাবে mass। তখন কি লাইক দিছে কত উইথ 34.6 গ্রামে কত দিছে, এখানে mass of water লিখবা 34.6 দিবে, তারপরে 100 ডিভাইডেড বাই এই ইকুয়েশনের 100, তারপরে solubility 40, তখন কত পটাশিয়াম ক্লোরাইড বের হইছে কত পটাশিয়াম 13.48। এই ইকুয়েশন ইউজ করে তুমি any solvent use করতে পারবে। ওকে, তো কোয়েশ্চন নাম্বার, হ্যাঁ
During the class after explaining part 3, the accounting questions are...
Okay, stop class, stop here. Thank you for joining today's class.
Assalamualaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.